Hi guys, it's Shakti Shetty and welcome to my channel. So like the title says, today's video is going to be about a teeth whitening kit, which is the MOLARBEAR Kit. I'm pretty sure you might have at least seen this once because this has been trending and I've heard great things about this. And before getting all into the teeth whitening kit, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon. Hit on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Now when it comes to teeth whitening, try to know the rates of teeth whitening, and let me tell you, it's pretty expensive. So meanwhile, I got my hands on the MOLARBEAR Kit and this seemed pretty reasonable, and also moreover I was really happy about one thing, that this you can use it for around like 9 days, which is a great deal. You'll basically be able to do 9 sessions. I'm going to tell you all everything, what's inside the kit, how to use the kit, my before and after results, everything, whatever you need to know, I'll make sure to cover everything. And I was moreover very happy because with this kit you can also see your own results, do it on yourself, you'll know how to do it on your own, and you'll finally know if it works or no, and if you can invest in this product in future also or not, so you would know all about it. So the kit looks something like this. So behind it also has all the ingredients, all the details, everything that you need to know about the kit. The kit also comes with the MOLARBEAR Share Your Results tape. This is how it looks. So here you can actually measure where your teeth stands, like how white or yellow is it, and towards the end of the procedure you can also check the results if it actually worked for you or not. It also comes with this instruction manual, and here it tells you all about the teeth whitening kit. The manual suggests you have to brush your teeth gently with toothpaste. For this to work very effectively, you're supposed to use it daily. I will complete my 7th day today. I have been using it regularly, and which is why I was able to see results. So if you are not using it regularly, it may not be that effective. You have to limit the intake of dark chocolate, dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee and tea before and after application. And the last tip is, when you're putting the mouthpiece, put the right amount of pressure and hold it tight. Like I said, you're supposed to put the syringe on the edges, and that way I was able to really hold on to it tight because this does give a really nice grip and this sits on the teeth pretty comfortable. Box has a magnetic clasp, and when you open it you have like injections here with the serum inside, and here you have the tool, the teeth whitening tool, and the teeth cap. Here 2 syringes, which is already over. I just have 1 left. Around 3 days are remaining, so I'm going to finish the rest of the 3 days and then show all the after result in this video itself. This is a teeth whitening gel, and you also have the measurements over here. So you are supposed to use 1/4 of it for 1 use. Here is your main tool. This is how it looks. So it comes with the main button to turn off and turn on, and behind you have the on and off button. When you open it you have like 2 batteries, so you're supposed to put the positive sign up. So close it, lock it, and then the device turns on like this. The blue light comes, as you all can see, and it automatically shuts off after 10 minutes. If 10 minutes are over, you'll hear this beep and it shuts off automatically. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take this, so you're supposed to attach this in this, and later you're supposed to take the injection syringe and put it. Now when you're putting the injection, make sure you're putting it like exactly in the inner corners, so when you're actually putting it on the teeth you can like push it in and hold it tight. All the product is actually reaching your teeth, and you're supposed to put this in your mouth and just hold it for like 10 minutes. Now I have 3 sessions to go, which is why I have 1 syringe left, but overall I have seen the results. It's lighter, but I'm not going to show you all the after right now. I've already shot the before, and I'll show you the after when I finish the rest of the 3 days, and then I'll reshoot, attach the clip in this video. When you even put this up for 10 minutes, rather than wasting your time, you can also get your work on your laptop, read a book, watch Netflix, or I play PUBG, because that's what I used to do. You can do it at home in your own comfort zone. So before starting overall procedure, when I actually started using, I was somewhere in 3 or 4, like that's what I remember. But right now I'm not going to show all the after. I will show you all after 3 days when I actually use the final product in the syringe. So this was my last day, which was my 9th day. So here, as usual, like I said earlier, I put up the serum and I put it on the flask and put it in my mouth, and then I switched on the machine and it automatically went off within 10 minutes. So it was that easy. So once you remove the gadget from your mouth, you're supposed to rinse it off with lukewarm water. The leftover particles will also come out if you just gargle it with lukewarm water. So here is the before and after. The top part is the before picture, which is between 3 and 4, and the bottom one definitely reaches 2. So you all can see the difference. It did work out for me. So if y'all have been looking for a teeth whitening product for the longest time, I would definitely recommend y'all to give this a try at least for once. It's definitely worth it. I will repurchase it in the future as well. In case you want to purchase it, I'm definitely going to leave a link down in the description box. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and I'll see you all next time. Bye.